Exercise 9H is about stem and leaf plots. So here's an example of a stem and leaf plot. We have to put this data into a stem and leaf plot, and we have to find the median and the mode as well. We also have to describe the shape, whether it's symmetrical or skewed. So let's have a go at that. You can see there's quite a lot of data here. Now, the easiest way to do this is to start by doing one that's unordered and then put it into order. Now, our smallest number is in the 30s. In the stem, we put the tens digit, and in the leaf, we put the ones digit. So we need to start with numbers in our 30s, and we need to go up to numbers in the 90s. So our tens digits are 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And that'll be the same on the ordered one as well. Now, for the ones digits, we can just go through number by number. So 68, we just put the ones digit there. 85, 60, so I just put a 0. 60 again, I just put the 0. 75, I just put the 5. 32, I put the 2. 47, 75, 61 and 53, 61, 53, 52, 92, 81, 45, 81, 45, 50, I'm starting to lose my place, so I'll just mark where I'm up to, 52, 59, 52, 59, 75 and 65, 67 and 62, 73 and 79, and 63. And then I just rearrange those in order. So 32, 45 and 47, 52, 52, 53, 59, 60, 60, 61, 62, 63, 65, 67, 68. Just check I got them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. 73, 3 lots of 75. 79, 81, 85, and 92. So that's my ordered stem and leaf plot. Now, with both of those, we do need a key. So our key tells us that 45 means 45 and not 4.5 or something like that. So we say that 4, then 4 in the stem, 5 in a leaf is equal to 45. Now, if we know units, say that was ages of people, we would write 45 years. Now, to find the median, mode, and the shape, we will look at the ordered one. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 numbers. So if I want to split that into 2 even groups, half of 22 is 11 and 11, and there'll be that 1 left over in the middle. So the 12th number is my median. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There's my median there. Remember, that is 63. Our mode is the most common. Here it is right here. We have 3 times we got a 75. Now the shape of that curve, you can see it's quite symmetrical. So I'm going to write symmetrical there. Okay, it's not skewed to one side or another. It's around the middle. You can see it's not exactly symmetrical, but it's pretty close to it. Let's move on to the second example. Oh, one thing just to note, look how I've very evenly spaced it. I've lined up my numbers. I've written 1 number in each square, and that's really important in terms of seeing that shape. Always make sure to line up your numbers nicely. Now, when we have 2 groups of data, we might put them in what we call a back-to-back stem and leaf plot. So back-to-back. I've finished writing that for my still shot. So now this time we've got decimal numbers. I've given them to you in order, so you don't need to do an unordered one here. So I'm going to actually start with group 2, or class 2 as I've called them here. So we've got a 6.1. So my tens digit is in the stem. My units digit is in the stem, and my first decimal place is in the leaf. So I've got 7.2, 7.3, 8.2, 8.2, 8.5, 8.9, 8.9, 9.2, 9.3, 9.5, 9.6, 9.8, down here 9.9 and 9.9. I might just do my key now, just choose any random number. This one will do. If I've got a 9 in the stem and a 5 in the leaf, that means 9.5. Now for class 1 we go backwards. So 6.1, then 6.2, 6.3, 6.7, 6.9, 7.5, 7.6, 7.8, 8.1 and 9.3. Okay, let's find the median of each data set. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 numbers. So 5 in each group. So the median would be, here's the first 5, that's the first group. Here are the remaining 5. The biggest number in that group is 69. The smallest number in that group is 75. So if I average 69 and 75, I'll get 72. Halfway between 69 and 75. The mode, none of these numbers repeat, so there's no mode. And the shape is skewed. Now I'll just mention something that's not mentioned in your textbook. These numbers go down towards negative. These numbers go towards positive. This is actually called positively skewed. The skew is about the tail. So the tail is in the positive direction. So it's positively skewed, it's dragged out this way. For this data set, the median, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 numbers. So if I split 15 into 2 groups, let's go 14 will give us 7 and 7 with 1 left over in the middle. So the 8th number is our median. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one right here is our median, 8.9. Oh, I just saw a mistake here. That should be 7.2, 6.9, 7.5. Our mode here, well, we've got 3 modes. There are 3 numbers that occur twice. So 82, 89, and 99. Remember 9.9, 8.9, 8.2. Really just keep an eye on the original data so you don't make that mistake. It's a very easy mistake to make. This is also skewed. And this time the tail goes down towards the negative numbers, so it is negatively skewed.